Our top focus is the murder investigation involving two-time Olympic medalist and sports icon wrestler Sushil Kumar. In handcuffs, he was taken to Delhi's Chhatrasal Stadium, the scene of the crime. Delhi police officials say they are attempting to reconstruct the crime scene. Police sources tell India Today Sushil Kumar was directly involved in the murderous assault on fellow wrestler Sagar Dhankar. The assault was filmed on camera to send out a message. Our crime bureau gets you a top story.
Delhi police taking Olympic champion turned murder accused Sushil Kumar for a crime scene recreation on Tuesday. The wrestler was taken to the Chhatrasal Stadium where he and his accomplices allegedly beat a budding wrestler to death on the 4th of May.
Now Delhi police brought Sushil Kumar here and the special team recreated the entire crime scene to take a note that how the entire crime scene was unfolded. Subsequently, the forensic team was brought in as the 5 vehicles, those were recovered from Chhatrasal Stadium.
A team from the Delhi Crime Branch also visited Sushil Kumar's flat in Delhi's model town. The very flat where the slain wrestler Sagar was staying and was allegedly being used by criminals as a hideout. Investigators say non-payment of rent for this flat sparked the deadly brawl between Sushil and Sagar Dhankar.
सुशील कुमार यहाँ पर विजिट करते थे और ऐसा बताया जा रहा है कि किसी फ्लैट को लेकर ये पूरा झगड़ा हुआ था। उसके अलावा सुशील कुमार डिस्प्यूटेड प्रॉपर्टी में भी हाल फिलहाल में काफी ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट ले रहे थे और शायद यही वजह है कि क्रिमिनल कई गैंगस्टर से उनका जो एसोसिएशन है वही एक नतीजा बना है जिसकी वजह से आज वो मर्डर के चार्ज में फिलहाल क्राइम ब्रांच की कस्टडी में है।
Sushil Kumar is meanwhile evasive in custody and repeatedly changing his statements. Probe insiders reveal that he maintains that he had gone to the murder spot to break up a fight between wrestlers. But a seized SUV found with weapons at the crime spot may help the police call Sushil Kumar's bluff. The abandoned vehicle belongs to an associate of Sushil Kumar. Forensic experts are trying to gather evidence from the location of the murder and the seized vehicles. The police also believe the Olympic champion may be part of a wrestler-gangster nexus. With Sushil's proximity to jailed gangster Neeraj Bhavana being under the scanner. Members of the Bhavana gang are believed to have accompanied Sushil during the assault on victim Sagar. The police suspect Sushil may be on a hit list of a rival Dubai-based gangster Kala Jetari, who was close to the deceased Sagar. Sushil and his accomplices had also allegedly beat up Sonu Mahal, nephew of gangster Jatedi. With Arvind Ojha in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.
Sushil Kumar's arrest has opened the Pandora's box on the wrestler-criminal nexus in the national capital. Often seen flirting with politicians, loan sharks, bar owners, some working as bouncers, wrestlers in the recent past have made news for all the wrong reasons. But is the murder of Sagar Dhankar part of a bigger gang war in the national capital? And why was this murderous assault filmed on camera? Was it to send out a rather sinister message in the same circles? Tanseem Haider and Arvind Ojha with this report.
The murder of Sagar Dhankar at the Chhatrasal Stadium has exposed the dark underbelly of the ugly wrestler criminal gangs nexus that exists in Delhi and its surroundings. India Today has learnt that the Delhi police is now investigating ties between champion wrestler Sushil Kumar and notorious gangster Neeraj Bhavana, who's said to run his empire from Tihar jail. Bhavana's henchmen are believed to have accompanied the Olympian when Sagar Dhankar was fatally attacked on the 4th of May. The Bhavana gang has been involved in murders, robberies, extortion and property grabbing in Haryana, Delhi and Uttar Pradesh. A Scorpio SUV registered under the name of a person staying at Bhavana's uncle's village has been seized. A 12-bore semi-automatic shotgun and some cartridges were found inside this vehicle. Among those attacked at the Chhatrasal Stadium is Sonu Mahal, a nephew of notorious crime boss Sandeep Jatedi, now believed to be running his gang from Dubai. Bhavana and Jatedi have been rivals, each staking claim to control Delhi's underworld, and several wrestlers are known to be associated with these gangsters. The quote-unquote services of wrestlers have often been used by politicians and loan sharks to intimidate people, to recover debts or to grab properties. While it is no secret that many wrestlers are used as enforcers and bouncers, the involvement of Olympian champion Sushil Kumar, a two-time medalist and one of India's most revered matmen, has come as a huge shock to the sport. With Tanseem Haider in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.
India Today's Himanshu Mishra now joins me for more on the story. Himanshu, आप लगातार दिल्ली पुलिस में अपने सूत्रों से बात कर रहे हैं इस घटना के बारे में. ये बताइए, सुशील कुमार आखिर सीधे तौर पर इस अपराध में क्यों और किस तरह से शामिल थे और इस हत्या को फिल्म क्यों किया जा रहा था, कैमरा पे तस्वीरें क्यों उतारी जा रही थी?
देखिए, यहाँ पर इसके लिए मोटिव जो था, मोटिव इंपॉर्टेंट था. बताया ये जा रहा है, जो अब तक की जांच में चीजें सामने आई है निकल करके, कि 4 और 5 मई की रात जो कुछ भी मारपीट हुई, उसके पीछे सुशील कुमार लगातार सागर धनखड़ से अपने फ्लैट के, जो उनकी पत्नी के नाम पे है, 2 महीने का जो उनका रेंट बाकी था, उसकी मांग कर रहे थे. और ये भी पता चला है कि उस फ्लैट में कुछ क्रिमिनल, कुछ गैंगस्टर भी पनाह लेते थे. इस चीज को पुलिस वेरीफाई कर रही है. उसी के लिए सुशील कुमार अपने साथियों के साथ, जो ये बताया जा रहा है, उनमें कुछ नीरज भवाना जो कि गैंगस्टर है और तिहाड़ जेल में बंद है, उसके कुछ साथी भी थे. ये लोग पहले जाते हैं और सागर, सोनू जो, और इसके अलावा अमित, इनको गन पॉइंट पे अपनी गाड़ी में बिठाते हैं और फिर छत्रसाल स्टेडियम पहुंचते हैं और वहां मारपीट की जाती है. जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन में, जो पूछताछ में सुशील कुमार ने पुलिस को बताया कि उनका बिल्कुल भी इरादा किसी को मारना नहीं था, बल्कि धमकाना था. और यही वजह है कि इसे फिल्म किया जा रहा था, जो फिल्म बाद में जो वीडियो मोबाइल फोन से, प्रिंस के मोबाइल फोन से पुलिस ने बरामद किया है. अब वो, और
उसमें सुशील कुमार भी सागर धनखड़ की पिटाई कर रहे हैं. उस वीडियो में दिख रहा है कि सुशील कुमार उसमें शामिल है मारपीट में.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, उस वीडियो में सारी लड़ाई जो है वो क्लियर, क्योंकि उस वीडियो को खुद ही फिल्माया जा रहा था कहने के बाद. लेकिन अचानक से जब मारपीट बढ़ जाती है, चोट लग जाती है, खून वगैरह निकलने लगता है, तो और पुलिस के आने की जानकारी, क्योंकि पुलिस को कॉल, जो FIR की वर्डिंग है गौरव यहाँ पे, कि कॉलर ने फोन करके बोला कि यहाँ पर गोली चली है, मारपीट हो रही है. जिसके बाद जब पुलिस वहां पर पहुंचने की जानकारी मिलती है तो सभी लोग वहां से भाग जाते हैं, गाड़ियां वहीं रह जाती हैं. अब प्रिंस एक गाड़ी में छिप जाता है. जब पुलिस वहां पहुंचती है और गाड़ियों की तलाशी लेती है तो प्रिंस पुलिस को मिलता है, और स्कॉर्पियो में पुलिस को एक सेमी ऑटोमेटिक गन और 3 कार्ट्रिजेस पुलिस को बरामद होते हैं. अब जब पुलिस प्रिंस से पूछताछ करना शुरू करती है तब उसके वीडियो मिलते हैं. उसके बाद फिर पुलिस को पता लगता है कि मौके पे सुशील पहलवान भी था. अब इस मामले में पुलिस आगे ये इन्वेस्टिगेट कर रही है कि चलिए, जो मर्डर की वजह बताई, जो मारपीट की वजह बताई जा रही है, वो ये बताई जा रही है कि 2 महीने का रेंट. लेकिन पुलिस इस चीज को वेरीफाई कर रही है कि क्या सिर्फ इसीलिए ये मारपीट हुई थी या और भी कुछ है. क्योंकि सागर की मौत के बाद एक चीज तो साफ हो गई कि पहलवानों और जो क्रिमिनल्स हैं उनका नेक्सस है कितना गहरा है. ये क्योंकि जो जानकारी मिल रही है, जो
इतना बड़ा खिलाड़ी, ओलंपिक खेला खिलाड़ी, ये कह रहा है कि चाहे टोक्यो गेम्स हो या बाद की वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप हो, उसके लिए वो तैयारी कर रहा है. केवल 2 महीने के किराए के लिए क्या वो अपनी पूरी जिंदगी ताक में रख देगा और किसी की हत्या में शामिल होगा? ये बड़ा प्रश्न. आप बने रहिए हिमांशु मेरे साथ, बिकॉज according to the Delhi police, and these are the words used by Delhi police, the accused thrashed the victims like animals and the assault was filmed on camera. The accused, according to the Delhi police, took great care to destroy evidence. For example, the CCTV cameras at the Chhatrasal Stadium where this murderous assault had taken place, the recorders are yet to be retrieved. The police are also yet to recover either the weapons, the blood-soaked clothes, mobile phones and SIM cards from the spot. Arvind Ojha gets us more.
The day when India's most celebrated Olympic hero turned a villain, tarnishing his famous legacy forever. The police probing Sushil Kumar say on that fateful night, he and his henchmen kidnapped a junior wrestler named Sagar Dhankar along with 3 of his friends. The group was picked up from a flat in Delhi's model town. Sagar, a fan of Sushil himself and a junior national champion, was allegedly abducted at gunpoint. He was taken to the nearby Chhatrasal Stadium, a renowned wrestling venue. His crime? Not paying 2 months' rent for a flat he stayed in. The flat is owned by Sushil's wife, and Sagar had not paid off despite repeated pressure from Sushil Kumar. Sushil and his aides then started brutally beating Sagar and his friends. The police say Sushil and his henchmen also opened fire to scare the victims. The police say that dreaded gangsters from Lawrence Bishnoi and Kala Jatedi gangs were present at the spot during the murderous assault. Sushil Kumar fled when the police reached the spot after a call from one of the victims. But one of Sushil's aides was arrested while hiding in a vehicle parked outside the Chhatrasal Stadium. This led the police to suspect Sushil's role in the crime. Sagar was hospitalized in grievous condition. He succumbed to his injuries later. His death in the battering by Sushil has ensured the glory of the Olympic winner is tainted now beyond repair. With Arvind Ojha in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.
And it has been a dramatic fall from grace for Sushil Kumar. His arrest now exposes this dirty underbelly of Delhi's wrestling circuit. Sushil Kumar, a former world wrestling champion, 2-time Olympics wrestling medalist, was also training hard for the Tokyo Games. Though he failed to make the cut, he insisted he still had a lot of fight left in him. Little did anyone know that fight would end in the murder of a former junior national champion, Sagar Dhankar, who at one time incidentally literally worshipped the ground Sushil Kumar walked on.
Jubilant with his performance, and so are the Indians. He has made us proud.
He was one of the greatest ever.
Sushil finished 14th in Athens Olympics.
Sushil Kumar, the name needs no introduction. An ace wrestler who instilled fear among his opponents in the wrestling arena. In an illustrious sporting career, he's won many laurels. But today, the entire world around him is crashed down like a pack of cards. From a remote village in Haryana to the pinnacle of Olympian fame, Sushil Kumar's journey is nothing short of a Bollywood fantasy. Rising from a humble background, Sushil tasted success in a very short time. He's the only Indian to have won 2 Olympic medals. In the Commonwealth Games, he's clinched the gold thrice. The wrestler was also conferred with an Arjuna Award and Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Sushil Kumar's success story has inspired several youngsters to dream of a career in wrestling. The superstar today faces serious charges, including of murder. The Pahalwan who ruled Dangal now faces a long courtroom fight to clear his name. With Himanshu Mishra in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.